Hardcore domination. Control the objective. Taking C. Securing B. Using A. Securing C. Zone Charlie, locked down. Hostile UAV established above. Locking down Bravo. Enemy C UAV established overhead. They are taking C. Taking B. Locations are secure. Maintain current posture. We've lost Charlie.
Drop skewer on my mark. Shot was good.
Losing Alpha. Locking down Charlie. We lost A. Zone C secure. Taking A. The advantage is ours. Hold it.
Dorn requesting UAV overflight.
Enemy UAV detected.
Sending impact grenade. Analyzing object. Hostile grenade.
Losing Bravo. Losing B.
Sniper fire.
We lost B.
Together. Ident verified.
Hostile UAV established above. Bravo capture underway. Securing B. Locking down Bravo. Taking B. Bravo capture underway. We control B.
Rule number one. Read the manual. Rule number one. Read the manual.
Eyes on hostile Semtex. I needed that. Hostile using Tempest.
UAV standing by.
I need eyes overhead.
UAV in the turn. Reporting hostile contacts. UAV fuel check 50%. Mission timeline over. UAV exiting the area.
Rule number 1. Read the manual.
Foot patrol. Friendly down.
Better than you deserve. Sighted on target. Hostile remaining.
We're losing Charlie. Enemy UAV detected.
Threat eliminated.
Securing Alpha.
Enemy using active camo.
Losing Bravo. We lost C. We've locked down A. Bravo lost. Hostile UAV established above.
Sending in a grenade.
Skewer release detected. Enemy dog established on your grid. Hostile care package above. Locking down Bravo.
Engaging shooter.
Enemy UAV detected. Bravo capture underway. Hostile skewer inbound. Bravo zone secure.
Authorizing UAV operation.
Incoming frag.
We have the enemy exactly where we want them.
Visual engaged.
Hostile UAV established above.
Sentry turret active.
Enemy grenade. Corporate appreciates your role in today's success.